The Nigerian Air Force has again made history with the conduct of an operational intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance mission by an all-female crew. The mission, which was conducted on the 28th of May 2020 using the Nigerian Air Force Beechcraft KingAir ISR aircraft, had Flying Officers Oluwabunmi Ijelu and Genevieve Nwaogwugwu as captain and co-pilot respectively, with Sergeant Njoku Patience as the Airborne Tactical Observation System mission operator and Lance Corporal Shawulu Godiya as the onboard technician. It is noteworthy that Flying Officer Ijelu is the first female officer to become a captain on a Nigerian Air Force aircraft. The aircraft was also marshaled by a female marshaller, Aircraftwoman David Precious.
Good morning, gentlemen. This morning we are gathered because we'll be going for...
The mission, which was preceded by the customary pre-flight briefing by the crew, originated from the 307 Executive Airlift Group at the Nnamdi Azikwe International Airport. The pre-flight checks by the captain and the co-pilot commenced immediately after the briefing. The mission covered selected areas of interest in Niger State and its environs, where intelligence that would support the Nigerian Air Force air interdiction missions as well as the operations of ground forces was gathered. The Commander 307 Executive Airlift Group, Air Commodore Francis Idosa, while welcoming the all-female crew from the mission, applauded them for displaying a high level of professionalism.
I will say I'm very proud to be here this day to talk about the performance of our female crew. Since the inception of the administration of the present Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Sadiq Baba Abubakar, he has actually given equal opportunities for the genders, and that opportunity has come into fruition with us having a full female combat crew. They've just gone on a mission and they've done very well. I've gotten the report, and I think it's something we should be proud of as an Air Force.
This, is said, has translated into tangible positive result. He therefore thanked the Chief of the Air Staff for giving the female personnel the opportunity to prove their worth in hitherto male-dominated specialties in the Nigerian Air Force. Many other female officers and airwomen are excelling in their various fields of specialization, including regiment and special forces, aircraft and armament engineers and technicians, as well as air traffic controllers, among others. The Nigerian Air Force's objective in this regard is to maximize all of the potentials of Nigeria's vast human resource pool, male and female, to ensure the effective, efficient and timely employment of air power in response to Nigeria's national security imperatives. Nigerian Air Force, willing, able, ready.